it makes them go backwards. Ano yun? Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you my current lash routine. I have straight Asian lashes. It doesn't have any curl to it, and it's so hard to keep them curled even though they're not too short. They're medium length, and it's hard for me to find a really good mascara because sometimes they really give my lashes volume but they weigh them down and they don't let the curl stay. So today I am going to show you how to fix that problem, how to fix your straight Asian lashes. So today we're gonna solve that problem, and I'm going to show you how you can keep your lashes curled for the whole day. So it's one thing to not worry about, and it really makes your eyes look open and more awake. It's perfect for every day, and it's so easy. So if you want to know how, just keep on watching. So first, you're going to need a good eyelash curler. This one is my Koji curving eyelash curler. So I got this eyelash curler from Japan. My best friend Lalis, thank you so much, she gifted this, but I also found this on Amazon, so I'm gonna put the link down below. I used to use my Shoe Imura ones. I still like it, but I like this better because it has a wider eyelid guard and the gentle curvature. It's not too curved, as you can tell. Lets me get super close to my lash root and it wouldn't pinch me. You can easily like lift the roots and you can access really close to the roots. I also like this eyelash curler because of this rubber. I'm gonna remove it. I like that it's stiffer because it prevents crimping and lash damage. So let's do a demo on how I curl my lashes. So I really get close to the roots and I kind of press this so the root lift, and my mirror is here so I can really see where my curler is and where my roots are so I don't pinch myself. So I curl and then I walk my lash curler, pump in the middle, 1, 2, and then I go to the roots again and do it again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, until I know that, okay, I like that curl. And so it's important to curl at the roots of your lashes and the mid lashes, because if you only curl on the roots of your lashes, you'll have like a check mark lash. Even if you just only curl on the middle, you'll still have the check mark. So you want the roots in the middle so it has that C curl. And also I don't curl at the ends because you don't want the ends to go backwards. That will make your lash look shorter. And as you can tell, just by doing this technique, these eyelashes are all up now, all curled, and this eye looks more awake than this. And then second step, I use my favorite mascara. I have 2 of this in my makeup kit and 2 for my personal use. Someone also gifted this to me from Japan. Thank you, Gretchen G Stylist on Instagram. She's really good with hair. And I love this because it is super waterproof. It is smudge proof. I don't get scared putting this on the bottom lashes for my brides because even if they cry, it wouldn't move. It's just there. And I also love this for myself because I can put this on during the day and not worry about it till night. And I have a daughter who loves touching my lashes, and this just doesn't move. Downside to this is that it's quite hard to remove. So you either have to get the mascara removing liquid that is made specially for this. The micellar water also works, but it may take 3 times to really remove the product from your lashes. That's the only downside to this. But other than that, it's... So I start from the roots, I wiggle it, and then lift up. This is very dark. It would really coat your lashes so well. And if that happens, just let it dry and then remove it after it dries. And then I put my wand vertically. I coat the tips for length. and instantly you can see how dark it is on my lashes. I love them. So the last trick to keeping my lashes curled the whole day is using a heated eyelash curler. A lot of my clients are not aware that this even exists, but it's life-changing. I always use this on my brides because I usually put fake eyelashes on them, and fake eyelashes are really curved, right? And your lashes, if it's straight, if you put on the fake eyelashes, it would look like this. And on photos, this doesn't look good. It has to be like that, like fused together, so it looks more natural and it looks good on camera. So the only way I can do that, especially with Asian clients, is using a heated eyelash curler. So this is like a curling one, but not for your hair, and instead for your lashes. What you do with this is you turn it on. This is battery operated. I usually carry like 4 batteries in my makeup kit. And you turn the switch on, and then you wait until it's warm. It wouldn't burn you. Some of my clients are scared that it's so hot that it will burn their skin. No, even if you touch it, it's just warm to the touch, it wouldn't burn you. So what you do is you put this near the roots, and then you curve it like this. You do this motion. So like that, you catch the roots, and then you curve it like that. That's how you curl your lashes with it. And sometimes, if I really want my curl to really last the whole day, I grab the middle and really press my lashes against my skin, just so they really like curl up. And what I also like about this tool is that if you have clumpy mascara, if you put this on, it will kind of melt the mascara, so it just coat your strands and it wouldn't show like the clumps. So this is the side using a heated eyelash curler, and this is the side without. Right now I can actually feel my lashes touch my lid if I look up, because that's how curled your lashes can get if you use the heated eyelash curler. This is optional, and I don't really recommend this for a daily routine. I think this is fine as is, but if you really want to make your lashes look like it's fuller, you can put a black pencil eyeliner on the roots to cover that skin. So this is called tight lining. And that's it. Now you have really curved and full lashes, and this would last you for the whole day. And with this lash routine, you don't even need a complicated eyeshadow, and you can actually do this lash routine inside the car. It's so easy. So I love that I finally filmed this and shared this to you guys, because this is my students' favorite part when we do makeup class, because not a lot of them know about that heated eyelash curler, and that just blows their mind. So I'm so happy that I can finally share this to you guys. Thank you so much again for watching, and if you want to know more tips and tricks about makeup, or if you have any questions, just comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe so I can upload more videos. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.
给这么个比较快，你的那再发。